Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you viewers? Today I would like to show you some beautiful birds. There is some birds. There is ducks, hybrid hens, golden misri, some golden misri hens. You can see this video. Look at these ducks. Ducks are enjoying the water. Look at these ducks. They are very happy to play in grass and water. Look at these ducks. They are so cute, beautiful. Nice ducks. They like to live. The ducks like to live in waters. Any water they like, they enjoy. So there is some hens. You can see these hens. They are eating some bajra, wheat, and there is some palak vegetables. I bought them some palak vegetables. You can see. Look at these ducks. And there is a hen with chick. The beautiful hen. This hen is enjoying in sand. You can see the chicks and hens both are enjoying. Look at this. Very happy in this sand. All birds like to live happily in open area. They are so happy, you know. You can see this video. Hope you enjoying to watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Look at these chicks and their mother. Wow. These chicks, they are fully nikaling from sand. This is also for sale. These all birds which I show you, the all birds are for sale. If anybody who interested to buy these birds, please contact my number. My number is 0300927570. Sorry, 76. 0300927570. This is my number, and like my channel, please subscribe and share. I need these beautiful birds. Please contact my number. Now like to show you more birds. This is hybrid in. Look, these bird ducks. The ducks are enjoying. These ducks are also for sale. If you are interested to buy these ducks, please contact my number. Like and share my channel. They are very happy to enjoy. There is a seal cooker. This seal cooker is also for sale. The price of this seal cooker is only 2500. This is for sale. This is Plymouth cooker roaster. You can see this cooker roaster. There is a lot of kukdiyan. You can see these all birds are very healthy, active and vaccinated. Also for sale of these hens eggs. Fertile eggs are available for sale. These hens eggs for also for sale. If anybody, look, they are enjoying in the sunny weather, because the weather is going to be cold, but the sun is coming, so they enjoying the sunlight. Look, they are sleeping. Now I will go, then we will wake. That when he is sleeping, now he is waking. Oh, they have gone. Now this white beautiful thing is also for sale. Hope you enjoy my video. Look at this. Now that time is going to be work, so I am now going to be close this video. So please look at this. Okay. बस ये close these chicks, Muhammad Ibrahim. Look at these eggs. This fertile eggs also for sale. Look at these eggs are for sale. They will fight. They are going to be fight No, no, no. Cool down, cool down. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. You go there, you go there. Okay, thank you for watching my video, my channel. Thank you so much. Now I will be close there then. Thank you.